Hi, today we are going to see demo for bike rental PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Next click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the bike rental folder. Then you can see the addressing files and the source codes. Next go to the readme text file. Here you can see the login details and URL link. So copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can see the bike rental PHP web application. It have three roles: user, admin and vendor. First go to the vendor role. We have to sign up. First go to the register now. Here you will enter your name, email ID, password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, then special character, then length of 8 digits. Next enter your mobile number and city, landmark, then click on the sign up. If you already sign up, you can use your email ID and password, then log in into the home page. Now login successfully. Now you can see the home page. First go to the create bike. Here you will add your rental bike details on this page. So enter the bike name and give the CC number. Then give the bike rental detail. Then enter the address. Next click on the submit. Next go to the update bike. Here you can see our rental bike details and then you will search the new add bike name and then you can see the bike detail. Next you will click on the update map. Here you will update your location on this page. So drag and drop to the red bubble, then click on the update geo. Now update successfully. Next click on the update. Here you can change any details on this page. Then you will see the admin approval status on this page. Next go to the image. Here you will upload the bike image on this page. So go to the choose file. Then click on the submit. Then go to the new booking. Here you will see the booking details on this page. See the from date and to date. Then you will update the status. Now update successfully. Then go to the view feedback. Here you can see the user feedback on this page. Next we will move for the admin login. Enter the email ID and password, then log in into the admin homepage. Now you can see the admin homepage. It's our two modules, upload bike and user details. First go to the upload bike. Here you will see the all rental bike details on this page. Then you will see the bike rental detail and the contact detail. Then click on the call now. You can reach the bike rental owner. Then after you verify the bike details, go to the update status. Admin will be give the approval on this bike. Now submit up successfully. Next go to the user details. Here you can see the all user contact details. Next we will move for the user login. We have to sign up. Go to the register now. Enter your user details. Enter your name, then email ID, then password. Then give your mobile number and address. Then click on the sign up. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, then one special character, then enter the length of 8 digits. Next, click on the sign up. Now you register successfully. If you already registered, you can enter your email ID and password, then log in into the user homepage. Now log in successfully. First go to the search bike. Here you can see the all rental bike details on this page. Then you will search the bike name. Then you can find the bike. Next you will see the bike details and the contact detail. Then click on the call now. You can reach the bike rental owner. Next go to the view rating. Here you can see the bike rating and the feedback. Then go to the show map. Here you can see the bike rental location on this page. Then click on the feedback. You can share our rating and feedback on this page. Next go to the my booking. Here you will see our booking status on this page. Then my profile is used to update your contact detail. That's the whole bike rental PHP web application.